So after cutting your pattern pieces, your front and back, you're going to cut the facing using another fabric. Remember, facing is the same type of fabric with the one you're using to make your garment. So it's not like lining where the lining is different and the fabric is different. For facing, you use the same. So I'm going to place my front piece and I'm going to trace it out as you can see me do. And the facing has to be shorter than the actual fabric. So on these sides, I'm just going to go down by either 2 inches or 3 inches. So the facing is always shorter than the actual garment that you're sewing. So after marking my sides, I'm just going to connect and then I'm going to cut it out with my pair of scissors. So I'm just cutting out, as you can see. Then after cutting out, I'm now going to get my actual fabric. As you can see, the facing is shorter. So now let's do the same with the back piece. So this is going to be my front piece. I'm now going to get my back pieces. As you can see, I've already cut out off camera behind the scenes. I have 2 back pieces and 2 facing pieces that are short. So now let's sew. So I'm going to place the right sides facing each other, my front facing, and then I'll stitch on the neckline and on the armhole with 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'm going to do the same with the back piece. I'll place right sides facing each other, the facing and fabric. Then I'm going to stitch along the neckline by 1/2 inch seam allowance and armhole. So I'm just going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch, as you can see me do. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch. I've stitched on the armhole and on the neckline. I'm going to notch. I'll just get my trimming scissors. So make sure you don't reach on the seam line, just notch. And then I'm going to turn out. So remember, I didn't stitch on the shoulders. The shoulders are intact and open. So I'm just going to turn it out and show you how beautiful it looks. So just going to turn it out and give it a good press. So this is how beautiful it looks, and you're going to give it a very good press.